Okay, so my thought on this hair is that is a very beautiful silk straight hair. Like if you are looking for a long ass hair in silky straight, this is the hair to have. And you know, this is actually like the way that I received the hair. I haven't done anything to it except for plucking the middle part and laying the fly outs. Yeah, so that's how it is. Like as you get the hair, it's very straight, it's very silky straight, perfect. There's no shedding, like there's almost no shedding. And I see why Virgin Hair Fixx is such a popular company, because they've been around, and it's very popular because they have like very nice quality of hair. And you can see, you know, that it just flows, you know, it just flows. I don't think I've ever had hair that flows like out of my hand like that. So it just flows. You can see there's a lot of volume to it, you know, and that's really something that I get very scared. Is that, is there gonna be any volume? Will I have enough volume to make like the style that I love or anything like that? So yeah, the color, I like the black color, but this hair is like kind of a brown, but very dark brown, so you don't even feel like you want to put some color on the hair, you know. And it's better when you don't have to do that, because the hair will stay more beautiful for a longer time. And everything, all the information about this hair down in the description box. There's gonna be the link and a coupon code for you guys. This was my first time having a closure. I was getting used to the lace frontals, and I think this wig is also very practical, you know. I didn't have to put any glue on it. I just like put the wig back up and it looks very good. I didn't want to put some baby hair, but if you're someone who likes baby hair, you can definitely go and cut a little bit of the hair right there and make the baby hair and everything. I think I have other videos that can show you more precisely how to do that, but on this wig I was like, she's so beautiful just the way she is. I didn't feel like doing so many things. And you know, for every day, if you need to go to work, I feel like you don't have the time to glue your hair down and everything. Well, I know I don't have the time for that. So having something that's very like straight, easy to maintain, practical, that you just put and remove, you know, without putting any glue or anything like that, and it stays straight, you know, and you can just put it right in the morning and take it off right at night. It's very perfect. It's very convenient. You don't even need to worry about the lace on the side or anything like that. Like, this is a no worry wig. I was very impressed that the wig is so convenient, and I love something that's convenient, that I can just put it on and do what I need to do. So yeah, that's my final thought on the hair. You can see it looks very dark. It almost looks as if it's black, but it's not. Virgin Hair Fixx is really doing a great job with their wig, and that's something that I appreciate. virgin hair Fixx. Very great company, very good communication and everything. They are very nice, so I was very satisfied with the whole process. Let me know what you thought about this one. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe because I have a lot of videos coming up. I have vlogs, I have challenges, I have all type of videos, lifestyle videos. You'll get everything right in here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.